Got him. Oh.
He pushed up behind you guys. Go cool down. Cool down.
Betrayal.
There's two dudes over there. He's safe. Cool down, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, fire. I feel like he's baiting this.
Oh, hit.
Violated me with that.
Oh, Ruth, you.
I'd rather just jab me with it.
Take me, please. Ah!
Wah, wah.
Hi, YouTube.
Dude, you guys are fast. I see you, Simon! Hit! Fuck! Hit! Coming out! Coming out! Push the sitch!
They're in the middle.
In the middle. Oh.
You know what the third one?
Okay.
Is it in the kill house?
Yeah. I think they are.
We already got the one in the kill house. Oh, shoot. What? I don't know.
Josh, grab my harness and pull me out.
I ain't pulling them.
Pull me out! Pull me out! Oh my god!
Okay.
Shit.
It's okay. It'll live.
You want to go pee?
There's a guy, a trailer. I don't want a peak trailer.
Oh, there's like a hydrant.
I don't have the range for that.
Me too. I don't have a
Yeah.
trailer either.
Yeah, they're right there. Hold on. That's fine.
Got you. When you pull out, let me know. I don't know.
Hit! Hit!
6, 5, 4.
Right side! Watch out! Right side! Got him. Nice. Got me?
You have 7 minutes remaining. You have 7 minutes remaining.
Counting tape. I counted non-tape.
You just give me a number of one.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, no, non-tape. Non-tape has more than 5.
More than 5?
Yeah, they have more than 5.
God, the dude's sticking his face out. I got him.
I completely blanked from the gate mode.
Reloading. Watch out! Watch out! Right side! Right side! Oh shit!
When friendly fire happens, either one of you can take it, but one of you needs to take it.
Got him.
You have 5 minutes remaining. You have 5 minutes remaining. Nothing. Total control. Job.
Coming out, coming out.
Nice push though. Got him. Nice. Oh, okay.
Barrel.
Actually got the guy. Okay. Oh, got him too. One guy on the far back then. Left.
Hey, one push up. Next. Up close, up close. Up. Close corner right here.
What?
You guys, you traded with the first guy.
Got the guy, I think.
Kick Davis found the radio.
What? No fucking way.
Deathmatch.
Ah, hit. Christ. Ah, wow. Okay. Oh my God. Top left, 2 girls.
I know we got families over there.
Hiding in the corner.
Got your left, got your left. Go for it.
Walk in.
Okay, we go.
See out. That guy out? Oh, is it the end?